Okay, started. Hello, hi. Good evening to all of you. Class, I just started the meeting now. So no one should panic that I have started anything. So, okay. Some of you already know my name. Oh, hi, hello. Good evening to all of you. Okay, good, great. Good evening to all of you. Okay, so let 1 minute. How many students joined in general? Now 85 overall. Overall 230. 230. Okay. Hello, hi. Good evening to all of you. Okay, so I hope your differentiation integration topic is over, na? Differentiation and integration is completed. Okay, so today I will start new section. Okay, so today I will start trigonometry. Okay, so earlier also for only CBSE and ICSE student I taught trigonometry. So those who have already studied trigonometry from me, it is going to be a revision for them, and those who are listening for first time, listen it carefully. I will be teaching as I am teaching for first time. No assumption or presumption that anyone knows anything. Okay, understood? So many people have already attended trigonometry lecture in the very beginning when the classes were going on only for CBSE students or ICSE. So it is going to be a revision for them, and those who are new, it is going to be a completely new lecture for you. Just listen, enjoy, and learn something. Okay, so let's wait for 1-2 more minutes. Let other people join. Okay, no issue. So differentiation integration is over, na? So remember these topics, differentiation, integration, the trigonometry that we are going to discuss, they are going to be used here and there in physics. Means it's not like we are going to have excessive use of them, but chinna use, small use we are going to have for differentiation and integration here and there. Okay, so 2 more minutes I will wait, then I will start. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Let few more people join so that no one misses anything. Acha, in the meantime, 2 minutes are there. Ask all your random queries now. During lecture, ask questions related to topic only. I know that you might be having a lot of queries. So ask all your queries here itself, okay? Now itself. For 2 minutes, ask whatever you want to ask. During lecture, don't ask random questions. I will be teaching, Ajay Verma, I will be teaching trigonometry today. I am good. Reference book for physics. No need of buying any books for physics. First come to institute. Whatever is sufficient, we will tell you. Don't buy anything at this stage. Okay. Someone is asking, do you watch IPL? No, I very rarely I watch IPL. Yes, these kinds of questions now only. How many days these classes will be? I think your online classes are up to 8th May. Online classes are up to 8th May. Should we buy NCRT? NCRT you can buy. NCRT physics, chemistry and bio you can buy. That is going to be useful for everyone. When will offline class starts? I think by end of June. Offline class will start by end of June. Yes, NCRT is useful for physics also. Yes, I said na. Physics, chemistry, bio NCRT you can buy. Bio and chemistry NCRT are very useful. Physics is also useful, but bio and chemistry NCRT are very, very, very useful. Okay. So one more minute, then I will start. Yes, all these topics will be re-explained in offline also. Okay, so be assured, everything that we are discussing now will be rediscussed again. But it doesn't mean you should take it for granted that this will be retaught. Why should we listen? We should just chill and enjoy. No, if something is being taught to you, you should try to listen, try to learn something. Okay. By end of end of May. Sorry, end of May. Offline will be end of May. No, end of May. Beginning of June. Sorry, by mistake I said. Offline will start end of May. Sorry, end of May. Okay. Okay. Now all queries. Now no time for these random queries. I will take these queries in the end. Let's start with our topic. Okay, so today I am going to discuss, yes, we are going to have weekend exam also. Whatever I am going to discuss in this entire week, there will be a weekend exam based on these topics. Whatever we are going to discuss in this entire week, we are going to have Bagun Nana. Yes, Bagun Nana. Let's continue. Okay, so trigonometry we are going to discuss. Okay. Okay. So we are going to discuss trigonometry today. Now no more chatting. Just listen. Only chat when I am asking something. Okay. You have to answer something whenever I ask. Okay. So first thing that we are going to discuss in trigonometry is we are discussing it from very basics. So let me make one thing clear. If anyone is having any kind of fear regarding trigonometry of 9th or 10th standard, okay, just get out of that fear, listen it like a fresh topic, you will understand, you will enjoy, and by the end of this week, you will be having a comfort zone with trigonometry. Okay, so let's continue. No more discussion on chat. You should listen everything. So trigonometry we are going to discuss, and first topic that we are going to discuss in trigonometry is angle. Okay, so everyone knows what is meant by angle. Let's have a formal definition of angle also. Okay, so see, suppose we are having two rays. Okay, we are having what? Two rays. This amount of inclination between the two rays, it is called as what? Angle. So there are two rays. The amount of inclination between any two rays, this is called as what? Angle. Now this is one angle. I can make two rays like this also. These are two rays. This is also one angle. Okay. Now if I compare these two angles, this angle definitely looks bigger as compared to this angle. So if I say angle between the two rays is alpha here and angle between the two rays is beta here, so here the two rays are inclined at bigger angle. So I can comfortably say beta is bigger as compared to alpha. So basically angle is nothing but the amount of inclination between any two rays, or the amount of rotation that any revolving axis suffers with respect to any reference axis. Okay, so is it clear? So definition of angle clear? So angle is amount of inclination between two rays. Okay, so angle is amount or measure of inclination between two rays. Okay, amount of inclination between two rays is called as what? Angle. So between these two rays, angle is alpha. Between these two rays, angle is beta. It is clearly visible. The angle between these two rays is what? Bigger. So this angle beta is bigger as compared to this angle alpha. Note it down. Okay, acha, I have one serious request to everyone, one sincere and serious request. I can see many people are randomly doing chat here. Okay, don't do it, bhai. Don't do it. It is waste of time. It is complete waste of time. So my sincere request, please do not chat here. Okay. My sincere request to everyone, please do not chat here. Do not chat here. Okay, go do it somewhere else. Do not chat here. It will distract others. Okay, done up to here. Now understand one more thing. See, so what is meaning of angle? It is clear. It is amount of inclination between two rays. This is called as what? A angle. Now we have concept of positive as well as negative angle. So positive angles are there, negative angles are also be there. Okay, Acha, someone is saying, sir, will always a small angle be alpha? No. You can take this as beta, you can take this as alpha. Any angle could be alpha, any angle could be beta. Just for the name I gave this alpha, this beta. You can call it theta, you can call it some other name, you can give it some other name. So any angle could be alpha, any angle could be what? A beta. Now there is a convention of writing angle. What is a convention? Just try to understand. See, suppose we have a reference ray. Okay, we have reference ray. Now with respect to this reference ray, if I go in anti-clockwise sense, if I go in anti-clockwise sense, or if I rotate this ray in anti-clockwise sense, this is the final orientation of the ray. Now with respect to reference ray, if I revolve the ray in anti-clockwise sense, the resulting angle is taken to be positive. The resulting angle is taken to be what? A positive. With respect to same reference ray, if I make rotation in clockwise sense, clockwise simply means if you see a clock, the hands of a clock are rotating like this. Okay, so this kind of rotation is clockwise and opposite is what? Anti-clockwise. Okay, so when with respect to reference ray you are having anti-clockwise rotation, then the resulting angle between the reference ray and the final ray is taken positive. With respect to reference ray, if I make clockwise sense of rotation, then the angle between the reference ray and the final ray is taken to be negative. So this angle is what? A negative. So with respect to reference ray, if I rotate it in anti-clockwise manner, angle will be positive. With respect to reference ray, if I rotate in clockwise manner, angle will be what? A negative. First of all, you copy it, then I will give you example. Write it, copy it. Okay. Now let's take one example. This is our reference ray. Reference ray. This one angle A, and this is another angle B. Now you have to tell me with respect to reference ray, A will be positive or negative? With respect to this reference ray, angle A will be positive or negative? Good. Angle A will be what? Positive. Okay. And with respect to this reference ray, angle B will be what? Negative. Okay. angle B will be negative. Understood? Now, if you understood it, let's do one more thing here. Okay? If you understood it, let's do one more thing here. Is it clear? Reference ray could be anywhere. Reference ray could be anywhere. But most of the time, we are going to have positive x-axis at reference ray. Okay? We can have reference ray anywhere. But most of the time, I am going to have reference ray on positive x-axis. Okay? If you don't rotate, angle will be 0, na? If two rays are in same direction, if you don't rotate, what will be angle? 0. Okay? Now take this case, everyone, understand. X-axis, y-axis, okay? X-axis is my reference ray. Most of the time, we take x-axis as reference ray, okay? This is one ray, this is another ray, this is alpha, this is beta, okay? Alpha is positive and beta is what? Negative. You have to tell me alpha is lying in which quadrant? Alpha angle is lying in which quadrant? First, second, third, fourth. Alpha is lying in which quadrant? First quadrant, yes or no? Beta is lying in which quadrant? Beta is lying in which quadrant? Beta. Alpha first. Alpha first, beta what? Fourth. So can I say that angle in first quadrant is positive and angle in fourth quadrant is negative? Yes or no? Can I say, basically it is not always true, but can I say that angle of first quadrant positive and angle of fourth quadrant is what? Negative. Okay? So you can write angle in first quadrant is positive. Next point, angle in fourth quadrant is negative. Write it. Angle, this is our first quadrant and this is our fourth quadrant. So whenever we are having angle in first quadrant, it is always taken positive. Whenever we are having angle in fourth quadrant, it will be negative with respect to positive x-axis as reference ray. Okay? With respect to positive x-axis as reference ray. Now, just understand one more thing. We have so many physical quantities around us. Mass, temperature, length, distance. So for different physical quantity, we have unit of measurement. In a similar manner, we have unit of measurement for angles also. So angles are measured majorly in 2 units. So there are 2 major units of angle. First one is degree and second one is what? Radian. Okay? First one is degree, second one is radian. Degree is something that we already know. Radian will be something new that we are going to discuss. Okay? So write next point. Units of angle. So majorly there are 2 units of angle. One is degree. Another one is what? Radian. Okay? Degree you already know. What is meant by radian? We are going to discuss now. So first of all, write it. Units of angle. One unit is degree, another unit is radian. Okay, write it fast. SI unit is radian. So radian is SI unit. Radian is SI unit of angle that we will be using from now onwards. Okay. So unit of angle, one unit is degree, another is what? A radian. Now let's have a little bit discussion of what? Degree, then we will come to radian. Okay. So first thing you should remember, if two rays are in opposite direction, what is angle between them in terms of degree? If two rays are in opposite direction, what is angle between them in degree? 180 degree. Okay. If two rays are mutually perpendicular, then angle between them is what? 90 degree. Okay. So degree is something that we already know. Degree is a unit of angle that we already know. Write it. Between two opposite rays, angle is 180. Between two perpendicular ray, not required. Pala, it is not required now. Huh? Whatever is required, we are discussing. Is it clear? Okay. Now, understand one more thing. See, suppose there is an angle of 1 degree. What is this angle? 1 degree. 1 degree. Now, if I divide 1 degree, into 60 equal parts. Suppose if I divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts, means 1 degree is there, let me break into 60 equal parts, then every part is called as 1 minute. So when you divide 1 degree into 60 equal part, then every part is called as what? A minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So basically minute is also a unit of angle, but very small unit of angle, very small unit of angle. So 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts give you 1 minute, and symbol for minute is 1 dash over what number. Okay, so sorry, not 1, it is 60. Okay, so 1 degree equals 60 minute. What is symbol for minute? This dash. So I can write 1 degree as 60 minute. Now you can understand it like this. Suppose we have 1 meter of length. What we have? 1 meter of length. If I break 1 meter into 100 equal parts, what will be length of each part? I have 1 meter length. I am dividing 1 meter into 100 equal parts. What will be length of each part? Centimeter, na? Centimeter. 1 meter divided into 100 equal parts is centimeter. So just like 1 meter is 100 centimeter, here centimeter is a smaller unit of length. In a similar manner, minute is a smaller unit of angle. So 1 degree equals 60 minute. And this dash is a symbol of what? A minute. Now, you can further divide minute into 60 equal parts. You can further divide minutes into 60 equal parts, and you can write 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So basically second is further smaller unit of angle. When you divide minute into 60 equal parts, every part is called as what? Second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Now 1 symbol for minute is what? Dash. Symbol for second is double dash. What is symbol for second? Double dash. So you can write 60 double dash. Now here we can understand one more thing. 1 degree equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So we can write the conversion factor directly between degree and second. You have to multiply 60 with 60, or you do like this. 1 degree equals 60 minute. 1 minute itself equals what? 60 seconds. So it becomes what? 60 into 60 seconds. 60 into 60 becomes 3600. 3600 seconds. So I got 1 degree equals 3600 second. Okay. Again, no one should confuse this minute and second with the unit of time. Here, minute is the unit of angle. Here also, second is the unit of angle. Okay. Minute is the unit of angle. Second is also unit of angle. So 1 degree equals 60 minute. 1 minute equals 60 second. So 1 degree equals 3600 seconds. Write it. Okay. Clear up to here? Okay. So just asking, should I write conversion factor also? Should I write conversion factor also? How to convert degree to minute or degree to second? Okay. So write it. I will write it. Copy it fast. Okay. Now I am writing conversion factors. Conversions. Okay. So first thing, if you want to convert degree to minute, multiply with 60. If you want to convert degree to minute, multiply with 60. Similarly, if you want to convert minute to degree, you have to do opposite. Degree to minute, multiply with 60. Minute to degree, divide by 60. Okay. So after that, if I want to convert minute to second, I will simply multiply with what? 60. If I want to convert second to minute, I will divide by what? 60. Let's have last conversion between degree and second. Okay. So if I want to convert degree to second, multiply with 3600. For opposite, if I want to convert second to degree, divide by 3600. Okay. So all these three conversion factors are coming from these relations. Okay. Write it. So to again, someone is saying hour also. So my question is, hour, H-O-U-R, hour, a unit of angle? Is hour a unit of angle? No, I didn't tell na. Is hour a unit of angle? No, I didn't tell. Is minute a unit of angle? Yes. Second is also a unit of angle. So minute and second are unit of angle. Hour is not. Okay. So don't bring that. Copy it fast. So hour is not a unit of angle. Here degree and minute and second are unit of angle. Write it fast. Later on you can have everything, but not now. Okay. Write fast. Yes, I already taught, I said, but earlier only CBSE students were there. Now everyone is attending. So it is for everyone. It is for new listeners also. So I cannot assume anything that anyone knows anything. So I have to go with the basics. Copy it fast. Done. Okay, two questions. Question is, convert 3 degree into first minute, second. Do this question. Convert 3 degree into minute, and second one is second. Do. I am giving you time. Okay, so let's continue. First, I want to convert degree to minute. Multiply by what? 60. So I want to convert 3 degree into minute. So what is answer? 3 into 60. 3 into 60 is what? 180. For minute symbol is what? That dash. Coming to second, I want to convert degree into second. To convert degree into second, multiply with 3600. Okay, how many degrees are given to you? 3. So to convert it into second, multiply 3 with 3600. Do the multiplication. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 6, 18. Carry 1. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So 10800 second. So 3 degree is 10800 second, and 3 degree equals what? 180 minute. Write it. Why hour is not an unit of angle? Hour is not a unit of angle. Convention is not being set. That's why. Okay. One more question I am giving. Do one more question like this. Completed. Okay. Question is, convert 1800 seconds into first minute, second degree. Right? Convert 1800 seconds into first part is minute, second part is degree. Good. Answers are 30 and half. 30 and half. Okay, let's do it. So first of all, we want to convert second into minute. Second to minute. See the conversion factor. To convert second into minute, divide by 60. So to convert second to minute, we divide by 60. So what will we do? 1800 is given and we divide it by 60. So what do we get? 180 by 6. How much? 30 minute. Symbol for minute is this. So 1800 second is equal to 30 minute. Coming to second part of the question, we have to convert second to degree. Second to degree. To convert second to degree, you have to divide by 3600. 3600. How much second is given? 1800. Divide it by 3600. 0 got cancelled. 18 by 36 is 1 by 2. So what do we get? 1 by 2 degree. So 1800 second is equal to half degree. Now my question, can you now do these kinds of question? Degree minute, minute second, second degree, degree second, these kind of questions? Can everyone do these kind of question? Should I further proceed with the next topic? Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Now we'll discuss definition of angle, okay, in terms of radian. Radian is also one unit of angle. It is SI unit. Acha, SI unit means there is some system that we follow in physics. See, for length there are so many units: kilometer, centimeter, decameter, decimeter, meter. But out all of them, meter is most standard. Okay, so meter is called as SI unit. In a similar fashion, for angle, SI unit is what? Radian. What is meaning of radian? We are going to discuss now. Okay, so we are going to define angle in terms of radian. Okay, so let's say we have a circular arc. We have a circular arc. Okay, so let me draw circular arc. This is a circular arc. There are two extreme radius of circular arc. Okay, these radiuses are R and R. Angle between these two radius is theta. Okay, and this is arc. Arc must be having some length L. Okay, so here three things are visible: length of the arc, the two radius, and the included angle between them. Two radius, included angle between them, and length of the arc. So here angle in terms of which unit? Radian. Angle in terms of radian unit is defined as arc is defined as arc length by radius. So if you divide length of the arc by the radius, then you get the value of angle between the extreme radius in terms of which unit? Radian. So we can write it in form of formula. Angle is theta. Theta equals length of the arc is L. What is length of the arc? L divided by R. So when you write theta as L by R, you will get this angle in terms of radian unit. In terms of which unit? Radian. So first of all, we got this result: theta equals L by R. Remember, whenever you use theta equals L by R, angle will always be in terms of what? Radian. You can manipulate also. You can send R here also. So you got one more formula of arc length. L equals R into theta. L equals R into theta, but theta must again be in which unit? Radian. Write it fast. So definition of angle in terms of radian is defined through a circular arc. Take a circular arc. There are two extreme radius of circular arc. Angle between those two extreme radius is theta. Then this angle theta in terms of radian unit is equal to length of this arc divided by radius. Okay. Length of the arc divided by radius. Write fast. Done. Okay. Okay. Let's do one question from here. Nana Gopal, it is buffering only for you. Others are not saying. Just check your connection. Okay. Question is like this. "90 centimeter R, this R is 60 centimeter. Okay. This R is 60 centimeter. Right. Find theta in terms of radian. Find theta in terms of radian. Okay. So what is formula of theta? L by R. What is formula of theta? L by R. L means arc length, R means what? Radius. So theta will be 90 by 60. Okay. 9 by 6 will be 3 by 2, which is 1.5. But whenever I use this formula, answer automatically comes in which unit? Radian. So I will write theta as 1.5 radian. 1.5 radian. Now, everyone remember one thing, that radian is a complete name. Radian is what? A complete name. Its symbol is RAD. So RAD is a symbol of radian. Okay. So when I use just RAD, I am using its symbol. So you can write full radian, you can just write RAD. So what is full of the unit? RADIAN. What is its symbol? RAD. Done up to here? Okay. Now I will show you degree to radian conversion. Degree to radian conversion. So before that, you have to answer my oral question. What is formula of? Arey Nikita, wait, by 2 minutes, give me. What is formula of circumference of circle? What is formula of circumference of circle? Is it 2 pi r? Formula of circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r? Yes. So what is formula of circumference of half circle? What is formula of circumference of half circle? Pi r. What is formula of circumference of half circle? Pi r. Now let's see the magic. Okay. Degree to radian conversion. Degree to radian conversion. Degree to radian conversion. Okay. So I am taking a semicircle. What I am taking? Semicircle. This is my semicircle. This is center. This is one radius. This is another radius. Acha, first of all, you have to tell me, this is radius R. This is also radius R. This is semicircle. So this arc will be what? Half of circle. So what is length of arc? Pi r. What will be length of arc? Pi r. Okay. Now I will simply write, let's say this angle is theta. This angle is theta. So theta in radian is equal to length of the arc L divided by radius. So theta in radian will be, what is length of the arc? Pi r. Pi r divided by r. R got cancelled. So what is theta? Pi radian. What is theta? Pi radian. Who will tell me same value of angle in degree? This is angle on a straight line. Who will tell me same value of angle in degree? Is it 180 or not? 180, because the two radius are what? Opposite ray. So same value is what? 180 degree. So this angle in degree is 180 and the same angle in radian is what? Pi. So we got the conversion factor, na? So we got the conversion factor. What is conversion factor? 180 degree equals pi radian. So by using this formula, I got the value of angle in terms of radian. So this angle is pi radian. We know that this will be diameter. So angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So same angle is 180 degree. So same angle in terms of degree is 180. In terms of radian, it is what? Pi. So I can write 180 degree equals pi radian. First of all, write. Some people are continuously chatting in it. I don't understand the purpose. Continuously chatting, and that chat is not anyhow related to what I am discussing. Arey bhai, leave it. Be a little bit cautious about your future. This completed. So this conversion factor clear? Okay. Now everyone just tell me one thing. If I divide by 2 on both sides, time is up, so you leave, okay? If I divide by 2 on both sides, what will I get? Left side, what will I get? If I divide by 2 on both sides, what will I get? 90. And right side will be what? Pi by 2. 90 pi by 2. So just after it, write 1. 180 degree equals pi radian. Okay. After that, write by suitable. Write it. I will explain it also. By suitable multiplication or division on both sides, we can do any conversion. So write it. By suitable multiplication or division on both sides, we can do any conversion. Just wait for 2 minutes. I will show what I am talking. Okay. Russell, that is defined thing. Do you know definition, Russell? Many things we define. So arc length by radius is angle is a defined thing. It is like axiom. Okay, I am coming to it. One of my good friend is asking, what is the proof of it? So basically you can take it like an axiom. Acha, tell me, what is angle on a straight line? 180 degree, na? Do we have any proof of it? What is angle on a straight line? 180 degree. Do we have any proof of it? No. we start with some self assumption now. So this is one of its defined thing. Okay, understood? Okay, so you can call it just basic theory. Means when we define it, everything in the future will be based on it. Okay, this is clear up to here. Now let me show you what I was talking about, dividing and multiplying. See, 180 degree equals pi radian. 180 degree equals what? Pi radian. First, divide by 2 on both sides. 180 degree by 2 equals pi by 2 radian. What is 180 by 2? 90 degree. So 90 degree equals pi by 2 radian. So we got one more thing. 180 degree equals pi radian. 90 degree equals pi by 2 radian. First thing. Second, divide by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. 180 degree by 3 equals pi by 3 radian. 180 by 3 is what? 60. So I can write 60 degree equals pi by 3 radian. Okay, 60 degree equals pi by 3 radian. Divide by 4, divide by anything you will get. Okay, let's divide by 6. Third, 180 degree by 6, okay, equals pi by 6 radian. 180 by 6 is what? 30. So I can write 30 degree equals pi by 6 radian. Okay. Now the question is, every time do we need to do it? Answer is no. I will tell you direct conversion. Okay. The question is, do we need to do it every time? Answer is no. There is a direct conversion. I will tell you how. Okay. Should I continue? Okay, just you can re-see it. Nothing, I just told you a few conversion. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, now conversion between degree and radian. Conversion between degree and radian. First formula. If I want to convert degree into radian, I want to convert degree into radian. Multiply with pi by 180. If I want to convert degree into radian, multiply by pi by 180. Okay. So let me show you. Suppose I want to convert 60 degree into radian. Okay. Do one thing. Multiply by pi by 180. So 60 degree into pi by 180. 60 by 180 is what? 1 by 3. 60 by 180 is 1 by 3. So it will be what? Pi by 3 radian. So I just gave you example also. To convert degree into radian, what you should do? Multiply with pi by 180. Second, if I want to convert radian to degree, you have to multiply reciprocal of it. Reciprocal. Okay. Multiply with 180 by pi. To convert radian into degree, multiply with 180 by pi. Example. Suppose I want to convert 90, sorry, not 90. I want to convert pi by 2 radian into degree. I want to convert pi by 2 radian into degree. What should I do? Multiply this with 180 by pi. So pi by 2 into 180 by pi. Pi got cancelled. 180 by 2 is equal to what? 90. So pi by 2 radian equals 90 degree. So just remember this basic things. To convert degree into radian, multiply with pi upon 180. To convert radian into degree, multiply with 180 by pi. You can take pi as 20. Okay, most of the time don't write anything in place of pi. Just keep pi. Just keep what? Pi. Don't put 22 by 7 or 3.14. But if the answer is finally in terms of number, not containing pi, you can either put 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay? Understood? If your final answer contains pi, then keep answer in terms of pi. But if the options are present in terms of pure number, then you can either substitute 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay? Write it. We will have few questions. Done. Done. Let's have few questions. Okay. Question. Convert given angles into radian. Okay, first 360 degree, second 120 degree, third 150 degree, fourth 240 degree, fifth 210 degree, sixth 300 degree. Start doing formula. I told you to convert degree into radian, multiply with pi by 180. Start doing 360 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, 240 degree, 210 degree, 300 degree. In 10 minutes I will leave you. We started a little bit late na, and in first 5-7 minutes we just talked only with we did nothing na. Let me see. Do all parts. $360 is not 40 pi by 360 is 2 pi. You are doing some mistake. Okay, let's do first. We have to convert into radian from degree. So every time I have to multiply with pi by 180. So single formula I am writing. To convert degree to radian, we have to multiply with pi by 180. First 360 multiply with pi by 180. 360 by 180 is what? 2. So it is 2 pi radian. Second 120 into pi by 180. Okay, 0 0 gets cancelled. 12 by 18. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. So 12 by 18 is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 pi radian. Okay. Coming to third part of the question. 150 degree multiply with pi by 180. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 15 by 18. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 6 is what? 18. So 15 by 18 is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 pi radian. Fourth, 240 degree. Okay. So 240 into pi by 180. Cancel. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. Okay. So 24 by 18 is what? 4 by 3. 6 into 4, 24. So we can also write it as what? 4 by 3 pi radian. Okay. I hope similarly you can do this as well as this. Okay. So those two I am leaving as homework. So those two I am leaving as homework. Now I am just doing few questions of radian to degree. Okay. 2-3 questions of radian to degree, then I will leave you. Completed? Okay, copy it fast. Okay. Question. Convert following angles from radian to degree. So basically, angles are already given to in radian. You have to convert it into degree. So we are taking 2-3 cases. First one is pi by 2 radian. Second one is 7 pi by 6. And third one is 3 pi by 4. All these three are given in radian. We have to convert them into degree. Convert them into what? A degree. So just remember, whenever you are doing radian to degree conversion, you have to multiply with 180 by pi. Whenever you are doing conversion from radian to degree, multiply with 180 by pi. Okay. So first, pi by 2. Multiply with 180 by pi. Pi got cancelled. 180 by 2. What is answer? 90 degree. Coming to second part. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Multiply it with what? 180 by pi. Pi got cancelled. 180 by 6 is what? 30. 30 into 7 is what? 210. 30 into 7 is what? 210 degree. Last one is simple. Third, 3 pi by 4 multiplied with 180 by pi. Pi got cancelled. 180 by 4 is 45. 180 by 4 is 45. 45 into 3 is 135. So 135 degree. Okay. So for today, this much only. Before showing up for next lecture, revise each and everything carefully. Today we discussed very basic things: degree to radian conversion, radian to degree, degree to second, second to minute, minute to degree, and all. Okay. So just revise each and everything. Goodbye. Have a great day.